Hi everybody, thanks for watching. If you're looking at this video, you're interested in this professional beauty salon Oster hair dryer. This is a model 266. It is robin's egg blue and it's a tabletop model. And we're going to show you how it works. 2 clips, one on each side. And we'll plug it in and take it through the motions here. 2 clips, just turn it on its side like this. Here's the plug. The plug's in great shape, original, non-polarized, non-grounded. And there's a trick. The air will come through here and the selector switch is here. There's a trick for getting this thing to mount. There it goes, it clicks. And you can go higher for taller people, shorter people like there. We're going to turn it to the side like this so you can see it. I'll plug it in. And right now it's off. We'll go to cool. Blowing pretty good inside the bonnet. Warm. Hard to show warmth with a video. It's got medium and hot. I just went to hot. And you can definitely feel the air being hot. I'm trying to show you the air coming out of it. There you go. So cosmetically, great condition and operational as well for all the speeds, all the warmths, all the heats, all the cools. So you just roll this back up to close it back up to make it portable. On the top there should be a pinch point. On the top you just pinch these 2 light blue things in and that'll release the head. There we go. And on the bottom, we're going to go back and clamp it up. And there you go. That's your John Austin Professional Beauty Salon Model 266, made in Milwaukee. Robin's Egg Blue. Thanks for watching.